it's kind of everything that's connected, and so that's why they call it Internet of Things. And then there are some geniuses who came up with IoE, which is Internet of Everything. So they're just trying to make it even more obscure. But these are all the things that are kind of connected to the internet. If they are interoperable and interconnected, and if you can use the data, I think that is an IoT device. And so wearables are IoT devices, your smartphones are IoT devices, your smartwatches, which is part of the wearables, are IoT devices, edge computing devices are IoT devices, gateways. So you have a whole bunch of these things, and the subdomains of these, IoT is a huge, huge domain, and the subdomains are obviously autonomous cars, smart homes, industrial automation, healthcare IoT, smart farming, and as I said, smart phones and other devices. So these are all still part of IoTs, and so when you're looking at customers, they can be working in any of these subdomains, and so and there can be a lot of overlaps.